Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We are to differentiate y equals to 6x squared sine x cos x. Solution. Let's rewrite the problem. Y equals to 6x squared sine x cos x. You can see that this is a product rule, but which involve three functions. From y equals to u v w, the y dx will be equal to u v dw over dx plus uw dv over dx plus vw du over dx. So we are applying the same method to the given question. Let u equals to 6x squared. Du over dx will be equals to 12x if we differentiate u with respect to x. Let v equals to sine x. Dv over dx will be equals to cos x, right? Let w equals to cos x. Dw over dx will now be equals to minus sine x if you differentiate cos x with respect to x. Now, from the y dx equals to uv dw dx plus uw dv dx plus vw du dx. Let's substitute it now. We can just say the y over dx will be equals to, our u is 6x squared, v is sine x. The w over dx, that is minus sine x, close the bracket, plus u again, that is 6x squared, w, that is cos x, dv over dx, that is cos x, plus v is sine x, w is cos x, du dx, that is 12x. The y over dx will now be equals to 6x squared sine x multiplied by minus sine x, that is minus 6x squared sine square x, plus cos x multiplied by cos x, that is 6x squared cos square x, plus, if you multiply the three together, it's 12x sine x cos x. The y over dx will now be equals to, 6x squared is common to the both sides here. Let's factorize it out. That is 6x squared into bracket of cos square x minus sine square x plus 12x sine x cos x. The y over the x will now be equals to 6x squared, cos square x minus sine square x. I'm going to trig identity. This will give us cos 2x plus 12x. If we multiply sine x by cos x as well, this will go for us sine 2x over 2 the x will be equals to 6x squared cos 2x plus 2 here 1, 2 in 12, that is 6. This is 12x. That will be 6x sine 2x. Therefore, the x will now be equals to, 6x is common to the both sides. Let's factorize it out. 6x. This will remain x cos 2x plus sine 2x. And this is our final answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.